Welcome to an American university campus almost 7 months after the war in Gaza erupted. Untold hundreds of students here gathered chanting Free Palestine, police helicopters and drones circling above, and hundreds of police gathered around, friction between the two, and a real sense that at some stage police are going to come in here and tear down the encampment these students have created. The real moment of conflict sometimes as patience gives out in the university and in the community. This repeated all across America. For details, watch 7 News tonight at 6 o'clock and follow 7 News.